This is quite a mess, but the idea is to delete, I don't know. So it's been a long day, and these headlights are going through a makeover today. It's been long overdue, but finally today we get into it. And fun fact, there's a spider in here. I don't know how it got in there, so that will also be helpful to get rid of that. So without wasting time, let's get these off the car and then start working on them. Here are my headlights. They're off the car finally, and I'm gonna start with the surgery. They're already on the surgery table, or the operating table if we may, and I have my trusted heat gun. Good news is that this glue is not the original one from factory. They've been opened before, which makes my life a little bit easier. I'm just gonna use the heat gun just to soften it a little bit, because at this moment it's gonna take a while to open them, but it's not gonna be that difficult. So let's get to it. This is quite a mess, but the idea is to delete chrome from this part, as well as this one here. So I need to remove this so that I can also paint it. So we're going dark flat black on our headlights. This is for the indicator. I'm not sure if I want to remove, I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna leave this as is, because this is for the indicator. This serves a purpose, but these three, they're absolutely not serving any purpose whatsoever. So I'm going to remove, I'm gonna start sanding these so I can hit them with that flat black. I hope this is gonna look nice. I mean, I'm going through a lot here just to get to these three parts, and I hope what I'm trying to achieve will come out as I see it in my head, hopefully. This is a bit tricky because now this is the glass for the LED DRL, so I need to mask this off before anything happens. I need to mask it off outside as well as inside, just to make sure it's protected. Oh yes, another part here. This needs to go flat black. Only if I can figure out how to remove it from here. There we go, it's out. Now this headlight has been opened and it literally turned into a million pieces. I'm looking at the internals, all the covers, everything else that I needed to get out just to get to the 4 pieces to paint. It's amazing. And our DRLs are a little bit yellow, but we'll leave them as they are for now. There's our covers flat black, and our rings, they are turned into a nice apple red. Well, this is coming along nicely, so let it dry, then we'll reinstall and see how everything comes together. That looks sick. Right, so the idea is to have this white line even if the car is switched off, but it's going to look like the DRLs are actually on. So the idea is to also have a bit of contrast within the headlight itself, so this will create that. I'm happy how it came out. That was the plan. Can't wait to see it on the car. It's gonna look insane. So let's keep moving. Now let's reassemble the headlights. Okay, I've got all the pieces and I think we are ready to put it together. So let's get to it. Okay, I'm just trying to sort out the pieces before I actually start. It's not done yet, but I think it's gonna look nice. I like the red and the white. I can't wait to put it on the car and see how it actually looks when it's lit. I really like how it came out. This is nice. Okay, so let's keep moving, then finish the other one and then put them on the car and then test to see how they look. Okay, so it's been a long day and we are finally done with our headlights. This is how they look, and now I just need to put on the lenses, but other than that everything else is done. They came out really nice. I like the contrast, the red and white and black, something different. I'm just gonna look sick on the car, so I just can't wait to finish everything. Ah, my lenses are terrible. I need to get new lenses, but for the purpose of what I wanted to do today, they will have to do. So heating the glue up before putting the lens back on is just to make sure that it seals properly, because when it's hot and cold it doesn't really work as it should. Next up, I have these little clips. They go on, just make sure that the headlight doesn't come apart. There's two at the top, one on the side and then two underneath. So they're quite hard to put on, so just to push on this one and another one. Let's just go underneath. We'll come back here side. There's actually three at the bottom here. There's one there. There's another there. And there's one. And the last one goes on the side here, just to make sure that the headlight doesn't come apart. Now with all that done, the headlight can get back on the car. Yeah, my lens is quite old, really. It's really bad. The good news is I'm going to get new ones in the future, well, hopefully soon, but for now these ones will have to do. The headlight is done, everything has been completed. Now I just need to put them on the car and then test to see how they work. I don't know about you, but this car looks more aggressive now with these headlights based on how they look. I mean, from a distance you can see it's dark with a hint of red. That looks nice. Love how it came out. Now it looks awesome. Looks really nice. Let's turn the lights on and then see what happens. This is just with DRLs and you can see it's a huge difference. Love the look. Let's see when you turn on the actual headlights. Nah, that's awesome. That looks really nice. Please ignore my old headlight lens. The actual headlights themselves, they really look nice. Love how they came out. Really happy. Now this is nice. This is nice. This is the end result of our headlight modification. If I have to say so myself, they really came out nice. I love how the black and the red and the white work together. It gives it a nice contrast, especially now that they are all blacked out inside. So the red gives it that nice demon-like looking headlights. Really love the outcome, honestly. Guys, let me know what you think down in the comments, because this for me is the best look. Gives it a nice more aggressive look, to be honest. To get it from down below, honestly, now it looks nice. I love how it came out. I still have to replace my headlight lenses, but the actual headlights inside, they look nice, to be honest. Yes, the lenses will make it even better. Can't wait to get new ones, but for now these will have to do because I'm driving the car. video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel because there's tons and tons of content coming soon. Click on that bell to be notified as soon as a new video gets uploaded. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe.